Sun creeping through the tall pine trees, mist on the trail and mud to the knees. Branches swinging like they wanna throw hands. Welcome to the wild where the racetrack stands. Neo jumps first with a buzzing roar, flying low like it's done this before. Kicking up leaves, riding pure instinct. Blinking, it's gone before you even can blink. But Neo 2 rolls in smooth and sly, reads every branch like a forest spy. Dodging trouble before it's even there. Obstacle sensors say, nice try there. Thorns on the left, mudslide right. Woodland racing is a real dog fight. Speed is wild, but brains are slick. Out here, fast decisions stick. Full throttle through the sticks and stones, buzzing past roots and rattlesnake zones. Twist that trail, don't lose control. Woodland racing takes heart and soul. One flies bold, one flies smart, threading danger like a work of art. Laugh at the mud, let the motor scream. This ain't flight, this is a flying machine dream. Charges like a rodeo run, full send mode, just chasing the sun. Ducking branches by the skin of its shell. A little bit wild, but it flies real well. Neo 2 though, different breed, sees the trouble before the speed. Maps the chaos smooth and clean, slips through gaps barely ever seen. Mud splash high like a back road show. Leaves fly past in a green blue glow. One reacts and hopes it's right, and one already planned that turn mid-flight. Full throttle through the sticks and stones, buzzing past roots and rattlesnake zones. Twist that trail, don't lose control. Woodland racing takes heart and soul. One flies bold, one flies smart, threading danger like a work of art. Laugh at the mud, let the motor scream. This ain't flight, this is a flying machine dream. One picks up, forest holds its breath. Then you hear that high-pitched hum overhead. Who's that gliding cool and slow? Smooth like glass with a steady flow. Mini 3 Pro enters clean and bright. Camera steady, floating light, while the others race and crash through trees. It's painting cinema with mountain breezes. Now it's 3 in the woodland run. Brains and speed and style all in one. Mud on the trail, sky on fire. Every fly pushing higher and higher. Full throttle through the sticks and stones, buzzing past roots and rattlesnake zones. Twist that trail, don't lose control. Woodland racing takes heart and soul. Wild one, wise one, smooth one, glide. 3 different ways to rule the ride. Laugh at danger, let the motors roar. Forest ain't quiet anymore. Mud settles down, leaves drift slow. Best machine, well, who really knows? But one thing's clear when the engine stopped. That woodland track got absolutely rocked. Small in body, big in heart, half an inch from heaven. I charge you up beneath the morning glow. Tiny hero, ready to go. They said improved image quality's here, and I believed it with a tear. 2-axis gimbal, rolling true, steady sky.